Hi, and welcome to ismechanicalengineeringhard.blogspot.com. An interesting question came in from a customer asking a question. Well, I put my data in my algorithm, and he seems not to be getting the same results in his algorithm or results that he has compared to mine. So I'm going to create this tutorial as another example of how we can measure the accuracy of the results that we're getting. So in this case, I went to Google Trends, and I just downloaded their information for orange juice. And the only thing I did to the data here is I added some coloring in to show what I'm doing. So what I'm going to be doing is taking the first set of 24 data points here, calculating what my forecast is going to be, and see how close it comes to the actual data forecast, the actual data of 45. I'm going to do the same thing for this set of data here, see how close we get to 44, and the same thing for this data set here to see how close again we get to 44. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's get this data set, this first data set here. Again, this model works for 24 periods, so I'm simply going to copy that, and then I'm going to go to moving average, paste special, values, put that in there, linear trend, paste special, values, put that in there, and then finally my final forecast, paste special, values, and put that in there. Okay, so how far did I get? So according to this result, I'm at 42.13. So we'll go ahead and enter that on the side. So for orange juice, so again, we got what? 42.13? So for orange juice, for our forecast, for our first forecast, we got 42.1, oops, 0.13. So I'll just type that there. All right, now I'm going to go to the second set of data points for orange juice here, and I'm going to copy, and then I'll go back and paste special values, and take that here, going to paste special values there, and I'm going here to my final forecast and paste special values here, and I get 44.33. So I'm going to put 44.33 here. Okay. And then I'm going to go to my last set of data, this green set of data, right? I'm going to copy it, copy. I'm going to go to here, paste special values. Paste special values. And paste special values. There you go. Result is 44.26. All right. 44.26. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate what percentage deviation there is. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to say equals this minus this value, and then I'm going to say divided by this actual, okay, and then basically, as you can see, we have a 6%. We have a 6% deviation. Okay, and then I'm going to take this, just drag it down, and we have a 1% deviation. I'm just making sure that I'm calculating the right values. All right. So here, you can see that at this first set of data, we have a 6% deviation, and we have a 1% deviation, 1% deviation. And, you know, for being 6 cents out of the dollar, that I wouldn't say that that's very bad at all. And I certainly wouldn't say that, you know, 1 cent out of a dollar would be bad at all. So, as a matter of fact, let's go back and review what, at least for the last forecast that we did, what the mean absolute deviation is. Well, they're telling you here that the mean absolute deviation is going to be expected to be 2.5. So that's 2.5 units out of 44. So basically, it's not really out of 44. What this statistically means is, on average, throughout the entire cycle here, the deviation between the actual and the calculated data is going to be 2.5. So again, you know, what are our deviations here? Well, our deviations here are very small and fall within that statistically. So there is that proof of concept, and I hope this answers the question. If anybody out there, as for the model's accuracy, yes, it will fluctuate. And there are many, many, many reasons why data fluctuates from models. Models are never going to be perfect. I've never seen one that would be. But in any case, I hope this answers any questions with regard to what kind of accuracy you can get. And I wish you the best in all of your endeavors.